you've ever felt lost doing your makeup or didn't know where to start, this is the tutorial you've been waiting for. I'm going to walk you through a soft glam makeup look step by step using beginner-friendly techniques you can easily do at home. Let's get into it. We are starting with skincare to create the perfect base. I cleaned her face to remove any dirt on her face, then I went ahead to apply an hydrating moisturizer. Most times I prefer using my hands to apply skin preps, but if you want to do this, you want to make sure your hands are very clean. Then I went ahead to apply Zaron Oil Block Mattifier because she has an oily skin. After letting that sit, I went ahead to apply No Sweat from Flawless by Ivy. For every product I apply, I let them dry a bit before I go in with the next product, after which I applied my primer. Then I went in and locked everything with a setting spray. I normally don't use foundation for my makeups, but I decided to use a very light foundation to match her skin perfectly and blended it with a damp beauty sponge. Next, I applied concealer under her eyes and I'm blending that out starting from the inner corner, and I'm going to push it outward to give a smoother and lifted face. I also applied on her chin, on her forehead and the bridge of her nose. Then I blended everything out all together. Then I lightly contoured her cheeks. I also went ahead to apply my cream blush to the apples of her cheek and blended that out. Also, you want to make sure you're using an angled brush for your contour and your blush. I went in again with a brighter shade of concealer and I blended that out. Then I set her under eye and every other place I highlighted earlier. Next, I'm contouring her nose and I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm just using my powder to blend everything in. Next, I'm applying a rosy powder blush to the apples of her cheeks. Now I'm going in with the baking technique. For her eyes, I'm using the CPD eyeshadow primer. And then I chose a neutral brown tones and blended softly into her crease. So I don't bake for long, so I took off the setting powder. Then I went back to the eyes and started playing with colors. While applying your eyeshadow, you want to make sure you blend everything very well from the inner corner to the outer corner. I went in with my primer again and I'm just going to blend that. I added a light shimmer to the center of her eyelid and I'm just going to blend that in. Now I'm just adding a liner to wing that out. For brows, I kept it simple. I already used a brow tamer and let that dry. Then I used a setting powder, of which I dusted off, and used Adventure eyeliner gel to draw the brows and use Davy's pencil to fill in the brows. Then I cleaned up underneath with concealer for that clean lifted look. I'm lining her lips with a brow pencil using Davis in color 3. For some reason, I felt it wasn't giving me what I wanted. Then I went ahead to use the Adventure eyeliner gel to line her lips. Then I chose this nude color from my lip palette and blended that out very well. I went ahead to add a bit of color and fill them in with a soft nude gloss. This combo is just so perfect for soft glam. It's simple, classy, and beautiful. Then a little highlighter to her cheekbones, forehead, nose, and brow bone to give that soft, radiant glow. I love blush so much. Blush brings the look to life. I added more blush, yes. And here's the final look. Beginner friendly, glowy, and flawless makeup. Perfect for your birthdays, events, or just when you want to feel like that girl. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I did a DIY birthday shoot at home, let me know. See you in my next video. Bye.